Jack? Does it look good on Jack? Here. Okay. Okay. And good, right?
Perfect. Except it's summertime and he's wearing a scarf, but...
Yes, it's summer. Okay, this one is for Jack. How did I put it on? Mama,
You just set it on his head. It's a hat. Just like that. I think Bella wants dressed up too.
or carrots.
What do you think, Jenny? Do you like it? No? Okay.
Here, Jack, or Jenny, and here, Jack. Ah. Okay, so now hair clips. What color do you think I should put on Jenny?
Pink.
Pink? No, I think we should do pink.
That's what I just said.
I'm putting hair clips on. And Jenny gets pink and purple, and Jack gets blue and green. Uh-oh, I want to do purple. We're going to give him a carrot. So here and here. Okay, so now move his scarf a little bit down. Okay. Then green. Then I'll just do green up here. Then blue right there.
Beautiful.
Let me fix her.
What do you think, Jack?
They look pretty. Chocolate chip and vanilla is gonna come out after we're done dressing them up. See how she does. Necklace.
Put it over her ears.
Okay.
Perfect.
Now I'm doing Jack.
Perfect.
Okay, so now all we need is the hat.
Jenny, you look like a princess. Yeah, you do. Jack, I don't know what you look like, Jack. What do you think, Chocolate Chip?
I really like them. Wow. Okay, Vanilla, get set for a roller coaster and go roller coaster. So I'm gonna lead them around with carrots.
Vanilla!
Vanilla, I'm so sorry. Follow me, look, carrots. Jenny, get. Hey, Jenny, your crown. Come out, your crown. Your crown. Crown. Hey. Sorry.
Why don't you give them a carrot?
I did.
Jenny, stay out of that bag, Jenny.
Vanilla.
Oh no, Vanilla. What do you think, Jack? What are you doing, Jenny?
Me?
Jenny? Jack? Yes? I think they've been very good donkeys. Vanilla, you're never riding again. Because you don't know how to stay on.
Doing it. So they did really good. Right, Chocolate Chip and Vanilla? Yeah, I took the riding. Uh-oh, the kick.
Jenny! It's gotten a lot bigger since the last time we saw it.
Oh yeah. I forgot when we saw it last time.
Soon we'll be able to eat the pineapple.
Yeah. Or avocados. These are orchid flowers, right?
Yes.
I don't even know what those are.
Orchids are a type of flower. It's also an orchid.
Oh, it is?
Yes.
But they're yellow and that one's purple.
They come in different colors.
Oh, yes. Oh, all flowers do that. Yeah, I knew that.
Of course you did.
Look at all these sunflowers. Whew. Remember last time that we showed you there was one, but there's more. Bunch of sunflowers. Good enough. I guess we can.
That's not fair. Look at these chickens that wanted some of that.
I wonder which one's mulberry or and blackberry. Let me see if I can catch this. That one looks.
I think that's blackberry over there.
Jump off, jump. See, I told him to jump and he did it. Yay.
They've gotten so big, they've changed colors a little bit.
Yeah, so, I'm gonna guess that one is brownie. Right there. Now I'm digging up sweet potatoes.
We got one.
Yeah.
Wow. How many is that?
3. Right?
Yes, big ones.
Yeah. And one little one. Two, 3. Oh, look at that one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9.
Now you're going to eat them.
And these are white potatoes. Right here.
And you're going to help dig those up one day.
Yeah.
They're still growing.
Yeah.
And then there's one little onion
Where's an onion at?
right there at the front.
That?
I know you love onions.
Yeah,